Hi Dishant, welcome to this feedback session. How are you today?
Hi Saurabh, I'm doing fine. How are you?
I am doing good, thank you. So first of all, heartiest congratulations for getting your job with Wipro as a network engineer. So how it feels like?
Sir, it feels very amazing to start this new journey with Wipro as it is an Indian MNC before independence. So I'm very much excited.
Great. So for which all training courses you have enrolled with I-Medita?
So I enrolled for multi-track course, which includes CCNA, CCNP, and also CCNA security.
Great. So how was your overall journey and experience during these courses with I-Medita?
So it was really smooth as we used to get timely updates from each and every faculty and also the members who are a part of I-Medita.
Okay, great. So what are the three things during your training you liked about I-Medita's training and services?
So first of all, the people who have made I-Medita, they are really amazing as the faculties who teach us all the courses, they know what they are teaching. And also like they don't judge you on the basis of your whatever education you have. So they teach in such a manner that even a layman person can understand from day one what the course is about and what he is going to be at the end of the day. So this was the first thing. And the second one is that the people who are here, they like are dedicated towards like building career of the person who is like who is involved for the training. So we also used to get the video lectures on the app. Also we like get the notes whatever the sir is teaching in the printout manner so that we don't have to note it during the lecture and we can concentrate. So these are the three things which I really liked about IMETA.
Great. So how did you first hear about our training courses?
So actually one of my brother was here who is like passed out in 2018. So when I like completed my BTech, after that I consulted him like for the future, like how can I grow and in what field should I go. So his name is Vikas. He only suggested me that go to I-Medita. It is the best solution for your career. You can grow in network domain anytime, anywhere.
So what made you decide and enroll multi-track program? Vikas recommended you or like you inquired and then you plan to get into this program?
Sir, Vikas also recommended, but at the reception when I met Sugan sir, he really made me understand what is the importance of multi-track course in a long run. So by hearing the benefits and the importance of the course, like we also need deep knowledge when we need to grow in the industry. So that is why I enrolled for the multi-track course.
Great. On a daily basis, how much time you spent with the classes, lab practicals during this program?
So we used to have lectures for 2 hours each and every day. So after lecture, we used to sit in lab only for the whole day. Like we used to practice on the routers and switches we which we have in the lab. Also, we used to practice on the daily basis. So approximately you can take 5 to 7 hours. We used to like prepare for it.
Okay. And along with technical classes, did you also participate in the personality development classes and interview preparation classes?
Yes, sir. Every week we used to have approximately 5 to 7 hours of PD sessions, which were taken by Shweta ma'am. So by including myself in the PD sessions, I was like very much confident that I can answer confidently in the interview on the basis of my technical knowledge.
Great. And during this program, when you were ready for the placement, did you got sufficient interview opportunities from our side?
Yes, sir. I got sufficient opportunities.
And you took classes from which all instructor?
Yes, sir. There were multiple instructors, which were one was the Vikas sir, and another was Sufia ma'am. Also, we learned from Sudhanshu sir also and Baldev sir also.
Okay.
And at the end, Surendra sir also gave us a crash course for the interview purpose.
Okay. So how would you evaluate the entire quality of training in terms of course content, lab practice, instructor knowledge, and the expertise? Was it up to the mark?
So it is above the mark which you will say. It is like 10 on 10.
And can you just brief us about the interview process, how it went through?
So, sir, first the resume was submitted to the company where the opening was. After that, we had around 4 rounds. So first was the basic technical round. in which they segregated the candidates on the basis of their knowledge. And second was also the technical round, but it was like technology specific, for which the opening was, which was sd-wan. And later on, I had a manager call, so he also evaluated me. And after that, I had the fourth round, which was the HR round. So she also like evaluated me on the video call for minimum 30 minutes. So the PD sessions was important for it.
Okay, great. And you have already joined, right? Your onboarding is already done.
Yes, sir, I got the offer letter. Onboarding is also done. And now I'm waiting for my shift schedule. Like, when can I go to the office?
Great. So how would you rate I-Medita's training program on a scale of 10?
So 10 on 10.
Okay, great. Thank you. Any suggestion and message to individual those who are planning to build their career opportunities in the similar domain?
So suggestion would be like, if you are really looking forward to make a career in network domain, so there's only one solution, which is I-Medita. Like, because the training which you are offering here and the 24-hour lab access which you are offering. So if the candidate is working somewhere as a part-time or full-time, and if he is really dedicated, he can also come and sit here for night for 1 or 2 hours or 3 hours, whatever he is capable of. So, like, only one suggestion, that if you are really dedicated for in networking domain, you can like join I-Medita anytime.
Great. Thank you for the recommendation. Also, I would like to understand your background. When you did engineering and in which stream you did engineering, how much time it took for you to complete this course, when you enrolled in this course. Okay, because today, when we are recording this session, today is 14th of Feb. Okay, and you have
Yes,
just
sir.
yesterday joined Wipro. So just help us about your journey, like when you did engineering, after that, what you did, when you enrolled for this program, how much time it took you to complete the entire course and get a job.
Sir, I started my BTech in 2016. It was in electronics and telecommunications. So I completed it in 2021. After that, for 1 year, I was into retail business. But later on, I wanted to make a career in a corporate life. So I enrolled with I-Medita, and the training for the multi-track course was pitched for around 8 to 9 months, or maximum 10. It depends on the scenario. So, but I enrolled in I-Medita on 20 June 2021. No, 2022.
Okay.
So after that, within 7 months, which is like 14th of Feb, like I was placed, and also I have started my job from 13th of Feb.
Okay. Okay. Great. Great. So thank you, Dishant. Thank you for your valuable time. We wish you all the very best for your upcoming journey, upcoming future. Okay. Keep learning. Okay. And again, we wish you all the very best and thank you for this session.
Yes, Saurabh, thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.